Hello there. So to install Mega Photo Real-Time Effects app on your phone, just go to the App Store app here and search for it and tap Get. Right now it's one of the top apps in photos and videos category, photo and video, and it's also one of the top apps in the general category. So that's that. And then you can just open it and you need to give access to the camera. And allow access to all photos. And you can also give access to your microphone. And this is how it looks like. And yeah. Then you can have all these images and effects. So that's that.